More than 250 million people around the world depend on fisheries and aquaculture for their livelihoods. More than 1 billion of the most vulnerable among us depend on fish for daily intake of protein and balanced nutrition. However, man-made cross-river barriers such as weirs and dams for irrigation, hydropower, and flood regulation block fish migration to feed or reproduce. These barriers can impact both the upstream and downstream fish movements, impeding growth and reproduction opportunities. Natural marshlands like the That Luang Marsh in Lao PDR are essential for fisheries which provide food and livelihoods for more than 60 million people in the Mekong Basin. Most of the fish species in the Lower Mekong River are migratory and travel to these marshlands for reproduction. Cross-river structures are detrimental for this essential migration. The same structures that provide flood regulation, water for irrigation, and other economic benefits also block all fish movements from the Mekong River to That Luang Marsh. Blocking fish movement causes strong disturbance of the ecosystem, resulting in strongly reduced biodiversity and other hazards such as overfishing, disease and injuries, and reduced or missed annual reproduction due to lack of access to a spawning habitat. ADB, with support from the Netherlands Trust Fund under the Water Financing Partnership Facility, is undertaking the That Luang Marsh Fishway pilot as part of the ongoing preparation of sustainable rural infrastructure and watershed management sector project. In coordination with the National University of Lao and the Department of Irrigation, Ministry of Agriculture and Forestry, the pilot will design, build, and commission an innovative fishway allowing unrestricted movement of many species between That Luang Marsh and Mekong River. The fishway project is expected to positively impact the inhabitants and the surrounding areas by boosting job creation, especially for women whose task it is to catch fish, thus improving livelihoods and food security, biodiversity, and building sustainable climate and disaster resilience.